my colleague, who was a fifth grade teacher as well, said, let's go and do this program. You'll get your next rank. Keep in mind, I just got done with my master's. She's like, you get your rank one. Let's do this. I think it was meant for me. The different topics I learned during this program wasn't just book talk or it wasn't just professor talk. I was actually putting the things into practice and building artifacts along the journey. This is more hands-on, practical work that is going to benefit not only myself, but the future at hand. As I was engaged in this program, learning about the student-centered learning, the module that we had, learning about the learner agency model, the equity, and then there was one more, I believe, the inquiry base. All of it set me up for what my role is today as an academic specialist. Being able to unlearn some of those traditional app habits and learn what next gen had prepared for me, it stretched me a lot because I had to tap into things I've never had to tap into. I'm like a sponge. Like I'm trying to learn as much as I can. My ultimate goal is to be a principal, following that at some point be a superintendent somewhere in the world. And so me starting early, I always wanted to feel like education is elevation. So following this rank one change, as I was coming out of this program, I decided to let's go to the next level, and I went to get my doctorate. And with this program is a more practical piece. It was able to prepare me for when I went in to get the doctorate degree. 3 years later, I'm walking across the stage as Dr. Tre'Von Watts.